Welcome back and thanks for joining me. It's Judy from Thistledew Creations, and today I'm going to swatch my new Artist Series Shiny Metallic watercolors from Dollarama. They were $2. Oh, I meant to check to see if that has always been the price. Yeah, they were $2 the last time I bought them too. I think. Anyway, I've found where I swatched the other ones in this folder of swatches. Dollarama Artist Series Shiny Metallic Watercolors. That's the first time I swatched them on white cardstock. And then this, I didn't do the stamps very evenly on that one, so I redid them onto this sketchbook paper. So I'm just going to put the rest of these. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got 8 more spaces, so we're good. And I just added a little bit of water to the surface of the palette. I might have added too much for this one. Soak some of that up. I wanted to get them softened up before I started talking, but I think I added too much water. Anyway, so this first one is called Vintage Gold. So I already have a saffron yellow and a champagne gold from the other palettes. And I stamped on the paper with this rectangle stamp to create a place to do my swatch on. I think in the other video I showed me doing the stamps. So that's a nice color. It makes beautiful mica-filled water when I clean my brush. And I actually saved some of that water last time. And then we have rose pink. So I have bubblegum pink. Now I have rose pink. Nice shade. I just have some scrap paper over to the side here that I'm cleaning off my brush on. And I will still put it in the water to get the pink off of there. And then we'll do the grape purple. So I have a misty lilac. It's nice to have a deeper tone to work with. I do like rich colors. That's beautiful. So if you have a Dollarama near where you live, I would check them out again if you've been on the hunt for something like this. They're there right now. At least they are at my store. I don't know how they work, whether the individual store owner decides what to buy or whether they're force-fed items. Cobalt blue. This is brilliant. Now the only other, I don't really have a blue. I've got a seafoam green. Just got a drop of water on my seafoam green there. These are pretty enough that if I go back there next week and they have them still, I'm going to grab another one. I will use the heck out of these colors. And then the green is moss green, which I think I'm gonna like. This is just handy when you're sitting down to paint, that you don't have to kind of try the colors. You can see what they will be on the swatch. How much sparkle there is, how translucent they are. And then the last one is graphite black. So I've got a pewter up there at the top. This will be a lot darker, I'm sure. I'm sure it depends on how much water you put, you know, how translucent it is. I'm gonna let those dry, and then I'll label them. And I think I keep putting them back in the right order in the package, which helps because it shows the color name on here. I don't think it shows the color name on the bottom. No, they're just plain on the bottom. So I might go back and put stickers on with the color name on the bottom of the tin, or not tin, it's plastic. But just so that I know if I'm out of one, what the color was called. So we've got vintage gold, rose pink, grape purple, cobalt blue, moss green, and it is a nice mossy green, and graphite black. So now I'm ready to go whenever I decide to paint. I gotta let these dry before I put them away. But I hope that that helps you get a sense of what those colors look like. From the Dollarama, $2 for 6 colors. I just got some from Temu, and I don't know how much they were. I'll have to look. But these were eensy-weensy compared to these. So I'm thinking that these are a really good value. And I will keep buying them. But I'm going to swatch these next in the next video. So come back for that. Thanks for watching today. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Most of all, have a great day and happy crafting.